Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you well. Today we continue our Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended. If you like my videos, please subscribe and knock the bell and make like. Thank you very much. We start now with the first. As you told you in the last video, this is the new assessment cover 2020 and up. This is for the core and the same is for the extended. This is here the instructions and the information. Any question you see there is a brackets on the end below on the right. That means the mark of these questions. First question here. In a box of 80 glasses, three are broken. Work out the percentage of the broken glasses in the box. The best way here that I have to divide here to divide 3 here by 80, we can make a long division here to the nearest hundreds because it's a percent. That means if I put here 3 divided by 80, so that means I can make this 300. Okay, and can I put here 0 point because it's less. Now as you see here, I have 30 divided by 80, it's still small, I can put 0 again. Then I take the 300. How many 8 you can take it from 300 is 3. Then you multiply 3 by 8, which is equals to 240. Then I have to subtract here. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 minus 4, it can be, take 1 from 3, it's become 2, and 1 become 0 become 10 minus 4, it's equal to 60. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I have to add another 0 to find the third digit here to make it a good approximate for the percent. Now I have 600 divided by 80, the best is 7. 7 times 8 is equal to 560. Now I subtract again. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6, it can be, I take 1 from 6. This has become 5. And 0 become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. And 5 minus 5 is 0. Now I stop dividing. I have 3 digits up here. So that's mean if I want to approximate to the nearest percent, that's mean 2 digits. 0.037, that is equal to the nearest tenths is equal to 0.04. 0.04, as you know, it's equal to 4%. So the answer is 4. If we go to the next here, Shai says that 8 centimeters square or square centimeters is the same as 80 square millimeters. Explain why Shai is wrong. Okay, first of all, if I suppose that split now 8 centimeters, if I make it 8 centimeters times 1 centimeter, you know that centimeter times centimeter is equal to square centimeter. If I want to convert it to the millimeter, that we know each centimeter has 10 millimeter. That means I have to make it, this is become 80 millimeter times, now 1, if I want to convert it to millimeter, it's become 10 millimeter. Now if I want to multiply them, that's equal to 80 times 10 is equal to 800. Millimeter times millimeter is equals to square millimeters. That means 8 square centimeters equals to 800 millimeters. That's it. Thank you very much here. Now the next one. This question, a train leaves Zurich at here 22.4. That means it's 10 o'clock p.m. and 40 minutes and arrives at 7 a.m. and 32 minutes the next day. Work out with the time at the end. Okay, we have to subtract, but first of all, if I converted 22, you know that 22, okay, and 40, if I make it as a 10, I convert it to be 10 p.m. and 40. This is 10 p.m. I change them. 7 and 32 because it's go after 12. If I make it as 19 and 32, then I can subtract in easy way. So here 19 and 32 minus to 10 and 40. First we start with the minutes. This is minutes, this is hours. Now 33 minus 0 is 3 because we subtract minutes. Now 3 minutes minus 4, it can't be because it's less. When I want to take 1 from here, 1 hour, I have to convert each 1 hour, as you know, it's equal to 60 minutes. It's equal to 60 minutes. That's mean if I add here, this is become, okay, 33 minus, we can do this from the first. We can do this from the first. That it's become what? 90, if I add here 93. Now this has become 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then, and this has become 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. That's mean the answer is 8 hours and 50 minutes. Now, and this is the questions y equal mx plus c. Just I want to replace numbers in the place of letters. So here y is equal to m is negative 2. I put it negative 2 in the brackets times x, which is negative 7. I put it the same in the other brackets, plus c is negative 3. I put negative 3 in the brackets also. Now if I want to multiply negative 2 times negative 7 is equal to positive, because negative times negative is positive. Now, as you know here, if I want to multiply the different signs, negative times positive, the answer is negative. So here it's become negative what? Negative 3. So 14 minus 3 is equal to what? To 11. So the answer here is 11. As you see here, the question has 2 marks here. Now let's go to this question here. Now a triangle ABC is isosceles. That means AC is equal to CB. AC is parallel to BD. You see that here, this one and this one, they are equal. But this one here, yes, this one and this one, they are what? They are parallel. Find the value A of A and the value of B. We know that the isosceles triangles has 2 sides are equal. That means that 2 angles in the base, they are equal also. So how we can do that? If this is A, so the other is also A, because it's the same. Now, so how we can find the A? We know that the sum of the 3 angles in each triangle is 180. So that I can do that. 2A, to find 2A here, I have to subtract 180 minus the angle C, which is 40. That's equal to 140. Then I have to divide. So 2a is equal 140. Now I divide by 2 to find a. So if you divide here by 2 and divide the other by 2, that's mean the angle A is equal to what? Is equal to 70 degrees. So here A is equal to 70 degrees. Now to find B, we can see that the angle C and the angle B, they are alternate interior. Why? Because AC and BD, they are parallel. So in the alternate interior, that means they are the same measurement. So B is equal to 40 degrees. So B is equal to 40 what? 40 degrees. Now the last question here, how we can solve this inequality. As you see, I have two variables in the both sides. The best one is I send the variable to the variable and number to number. That's mean, okay, I put first here minus n, 1n. So n minus n is 0, it's become 7. Less than 5n minus 1n is equal to 4n minus 8. Now I have to change 8 to the next term. That's mean I have to put the opposite sign, plus 8 here and plus 8 here. So minus 8 and the plus 8 is 0, so 4n, it's become greater than, if we add them, 7 plus 8 is 15. Then I divide both by 4. Divide here by 4 and divide this by 4. 4 divided 4 is 0. That means n is greater than 15 divided, or 15 over 4. Now that's mean if you want to simplify them, you know that I can divide 15 divided by 4 here. You can do it like this. 15 divided by 4 to make it as a mixed number, because this is improper fraction. 15 divided by 4. How many? 4 and 15, it's 3. 3 times 4, it's equal to 12. Now you subtract, it's become 3. So you can do this as 3 and 3 over 4. So the answer is n become greater than, sorry, there is no equal here. There is no equal. So here n is greater than 3 and 3 over 4. You can write it in this way, or if you want to switch as we did, you can write here 3 and 3 over 4 is less than n, is the same. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.